Daily Tower, ATIS information, Kilo, time 1647 Zulu, weather, wind 130 at 6, visibility 2 miles, light snow. Sky condition 1,900 scattered. Romeo Bravo, 49,000, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Okay, clear for takeoff 13, Romeo Bravo.
450 Romeo Bravo, radar contact, Haley radio beacon 13,700, so direct to Omaha, I maintain level 390.
Owning the Eclipse has made my life pretty exciting. A lot of fun to fly a jet. It expands my horizon so much more than SR-22 ever did. One of the main factors moving up to the Eclipse was my ability to get above the weather.
This is a perfect example of why I stepped up to an Eclipse. Bow tops today are at 35,000.
You don't have to worry about what's in between starting point and destination. You can just fly right over it.
We're flying 39,000 right now. There's no way we would be able to make this trip today in the Cirrus.
450 Romeo Bravo, contact Chicago Center on 134.02.
If you're flying a high-performance piston airplane and you want more performance, don't let a jet intimidate you. It really is a very easy airplane to fly. The Eclipse for me has been a tremendous business tool. Instead of going to one customer a day or one meeting, I can fit in 2 and be home for dinner. If I need to go to Atlanta, instead of using the airlines, I can make a last-minute decision and be there in an hour and a half.
Eclipse 450 Romeo Bravo, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, Romeo Bravo.
You know, it's something that I never thought I'd be able to do, but here I am with an Eclipse. It's pretty cool.